Here is how you can increase your tire and TPMS business for Tesla applications instead of sending them back to the dealerships. Tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS, are vital for safety and efficiency, and the sensors in a direct TPMS are critical operational components with a limited lifespan. When it's time to replace the tires, it's the perfect time to replace the sensors. Many late-model Teslas are equipped with sensors that use Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE communication. BLE allows for faster, more efficient communication, as well as two-way communication. It is not interchangeable with TPMS systems that use radio frequency. This technology is used in Tesla Model 3 vehicles made since 2020, Model Y since 2021, and Model S and X since 2022. Tesla vehicles equipped with this technology make up more than 3/4 of all Tesla vehicles in operation in the 100 largest counties in the United States. Actually, there are over 1.5 million BLE TPMS sensors replaced on these Teslas every year. That's a lot of sensors, and that number keeps growing. Tesla's original equipment BLE sensors claim a battery life of 4 to 6 years, but real-world tests show they only last 2 to 2.5 years. When the time comes to replace the sensors, shops now have an aftermarket solution they can offer owners of late-model Teslas equipped with BLE sensors. Walker Products is now offering OEM-based BLE TPMS sensors for Tesla models equipped with this new technology. Walker's BLE sensors are made in a Tier 1 OEM facility. They have a real battery life ranging from 5 to 6 years, and their applications include those found in top Tesla models. Walker uses the highest signal power microchip available, so the relearn procedure can be performed quickly and easily. They're designed for easy installation with a direct OE fit and no programming required. If your customers have late model Teslas with BLE TPMS sensors, suggest a replacement sensor from Walker Products for an exact OE fit and performance, ensuring they receive an affordable, high-quality part for this essential safety system. Thanks for watching.